Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Victory. If today is your first time of coming to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that every time I upload fabulous videos, you'll be notified. In this video, I'll show you how to get my bank statement certificate. That's the new way introduced by embassies, but especially the immigration of Canada, to get bank statements. This has reduced the cumbersome old traditional plenty paper statement when you want to apply for your visa. In my video on Nigerian Student Express, you'll see that this is one of the important criteria on how to send your bank statement. 6 months bank statement showing a minimum of $30,000. That's like 8.6 million naira. So quickly, to get more information detailed, you go to this website, visa-mybankstatement.com. right here you get the full gist, all the details, the banks that are involved, and in this case the banks you can walk into the branch and get all this bank, and the ones you can do by yourself on your internet banking or mobile platform. Okay, like for GT Bank, it gives you step-by-step way of doing it. All those banks have introduced it, and they are very happy. You can get all the details. If whichever bank you bank with, go into your bank if they're on this list and apply for it. Okay, let me show you how that's done with GT Bank. When you come to my account, go to send statement to embassy, not to third party. They send third party on their description, but not third party. It's to embassy. All right, you go to new request, put in the country, destination country, Canada, role, applicant, start date. 6 months from today would be, say, August, 14th August. Well, let's just start from the 1st of August. Well, we can start from the 1st till yesterday. Then you put the applicant's name, choose which account, and then you put in all you submit. Do you want to submit this request? Yes. You have initiated statement to embassy, request detail of your request. The charge, there's a charge, of course. Then put in your token, and submit. Request submitted successfully. Okay, once you submit, you will get an email from your bank with the e-ticket. Okay, dear sir, your password protected e-statement have been sent to Canada successfully, and they'll give you your e-ticket. This is what you submit with your application, delivered. Nice. Well, that's how to do it. You can, if you have a GT Bank, it's easier for you. I've shown you how. It is easy once you follow the instructions from your bank. If it will be difficult for you, please walk into the bank and just ask for my bank statement ticket. They will give it to you. and you can go ahead and apply for your study permit. Thank you for watching.